Shut off, you friggin' high beams, you scum. Thank you. 842308. Stop. Ow. Hello. Hello. And he gave the guy in the truck the finger. Clean off your friggin' car. Clean up your car. Anybody around here have a snow brush? Shut up, you high beams. You turd. Stop before you turn. Gee, slow the fuck down, lady. You rolled the stop. Yep, she rolled the stop. Alright, okay, alright. Put. Clean off your friggin' car. Don't go straight from the turn lane. Okay. Paint the lines for a reason, you know, Grandma? Stay in the lane. Your car. Clean up your car. Clean up your car. Clean off your car, lady. Stop. Here, in the red light. Yeah, that's Bruce. Yeah, sure, babe. Okay. Jesus. Masshole! And she looks at me like the smuggest little piece of shit ever. Jesus. Thanks. You didn't drive forever with your fucking blinker on. Stop sign! Stop before you turn, super douche. You just go straight from the turn lane. Alright, shut up, you fucking high beams. Stop. I don't know why I'm in the shithole of a town, thank you. Hi, how you doing? You're not going? Okay. So this is annoying. Going to the gas station to use the men's room, and it's occupied. Wait for the guy to come out. He comes out, and the door swings in, but he insists on standing in front of the door, holding it open for me. It's like, just get the frig out of my way, will ya? I gotta pee. Don't do that. Thank you. Shut up, you high beams. Shut off, you fucking high beams. Yeah. Exit time. Stop tailgating. Shut up, you high beams! Don't hit me!